Hey everybody, it's Miss Withers with Unit 8, Week 2, Day 3 word work. And we are still learning about homograph syllables. So let's take a look at our learning targets. The first target is to read and spell homographs, and then we're going to sort them. So let's have a brief reminder about what a homograph is. Remember that placing emphasis or stress on different syllables in words that are spelled the same can make them have different meanings. So for example, project, project. That's a verb. It means to throw or cast forward. The speaker knew how to project her voice or make it loud. Project, project. That's a noun, a task, plan, or design. Lily received a good grade on her art project. Project, project. Cool. The next homograph pair is right here. It's spelled exactly the same, but it has different meaning because you say it differently. So for example, desert, desert, to withdraw from or leave, usually without intent to return. My friend will never desert me. My friend will never leave me, will never abandon me. Desert, that's a verb, it's an action. And desert, arid land with usually sparse vegetation. A desert is a very dry place where it rarely rains. We just recently read about the Sahara Desert. That's a noun. It's a place. Okay, so let's take a look at our example. I see this word and I know that I could read it in two different ways. But first I'm going to count how many syllables this word has. Object, 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 object. I count 2 syllables. Now, how do I pronounce this word with different syllables stressed? And how would this change the meaning? Well, let's stress the first syllable of our 2. Object, object. Well, I know an object is a thing. My chair is an object. My toy is an object. But what if I were to place the stress on the second syllable of the word? Object, object, object. Ooh, if you've ever heard someone say, I object, they're saying, I disagree. That's a verb, that's an action. Someone is objecting to something. They're disagreeing with something. Spelled the same, different meaning. So what you're going to be doing today is you're going to sort the words according to where the emphasis is placed in each syllable. So you have some homograph pairs here. You have project and project, rebel and rebel, record and record. You have refuse and refuse. You have resume and resume, protest and protest, and then take a look at this. Abuse with an S sound and abuse with a Z sound. You even heard me catch myself a little bit. These take some time to figure out, so please go slow, and you're probably going to have to say them or whisper them to yourself to practice the emphasis wherever it's underlined and bolded. Then sort them if they are a noun or a verb. Remember, a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea, and a verb is an action word. Then you will submit your slides. Good luck.